It's universal.
They're picking it up pretty quick. Yeah, they're picking it up quick.
Muskel Tiere. Zuerst stellen wir vor, Sound of Pain, Blackwell and Damon Saint. Damon Saint, the Holy Show. 1,82 Meter, 80 Kilo, er ist aus Hannover. Und Blackwell, nickname, the Burgundy Brawler and the best wrestler in Luxembourg. Herzlich willkommen, the Sound of Pain!
So the Sound of Pain, Damon Saint and Blackwell. It's worth mentioning that I did a promo tournament for Serious Wrestling some time ago, and Blackwell was the one who beat me and took me out of the tournament.
Okay, well, are we gonna be able to stay, you know, unbiased as broadcast journalists here?
I'm not sure, I guess we'll see, but I did have a lot of respect for Blackwell after that, and I became somewhat of a fan.
Okay.
So it might even turn me towards him. And here they are.
All fired up. All kinds of fired up.
Enjoying the entrance music, hyping up the crowd.
Oh, wait a second. Are they gonna play their own entrance music?
It almost looks that way.
That would be pretty amazing. I'm not gonna lie. That'd be pretty dope.
Wow, this is Damon Saint on his guitar. Blackwell in Burgundy because he is the Burgundy Brawler.
I can't remember the last time I saw anybody play their own entrance music.
Yeah. It's a pretty cool feature.
Blackwell just rocking out. Is it just me, or is Blackwell the spitting image of a young Chris Jericho?
You were right. I hadn't noticed that before, but now that you say it, I can see it.
Yeah.
Wow, he's a great musician, David.
Yeah, he is. Wow.
This is taking me back to my headbanging days. I may or may not be nodding my head.
Yes.
Just a little bit.
Wow. Super cool. Sounds of Pain with a scintillating performance.
Unbelievable.
As Damon Saint and Blackwell make their way to the ring. And they're even throwing out guitar picks. I love it.
I don't think he'd be exhausted by now, but maybe that's the kind of thing he needs to hype himself up and pump himself up and get into this match.
They're probably the most fired up right now.
Gegen Sound of Pain, nämlich die Muskel Tiere, die Schadenfreunde. Sultanov, 1,80 Meter, 130 Kilo schwer from Russia. Und Ricky Sky, Mr. Pretty Ricky Sky from Slovakia. Schadenfreude, Ricky Sky und Sultanov, Muskel Tiere!
Okay, so for your sake, Muskel Tiere means muscle animals.
Wow, okay.
So let's see if they are as animalistic as they sound.
If you call yourself the muscle animals, you better be built.
Very contrasting music here on their entrance.
Very contrasting music, absolutely.
Ricky Sky actually has a little bit of the strongman, or even more so of the strongman. You see that mustache?
Absolutely.
That is impressive.
I'm surprised he doesn't have the Andre the Giant singlet thing happening. Oh wait, his partner does though.
Yeah, Sultanov.
Yeah.
With the
Sultanov with the one strap.
The belt to match the colors of Ricky Sky's gear.
Right.
So we have the red and black over here, and then on the other hand we have neon green for Damon Saint, and then the burgundy brawler Blackwell.
Are we seeing a rock, paper, scissors to decide who's going to start this match?
I believe we are.
I think 2 out of 3 was even proposed, but shut down. I think they just stuck with 1. And I believe we're starting things off with Damon Saint of Sounds of Pain and
Ricky Sky.
Pretty Ricky Sky of, what is it in German again? Muskel
Tiere.
Muskel Tiere.
Yes, but actually Muskel Tiere also means like body aches, like when you're sore.
Oh, okay, great. So it's basically what they're inflicting upon their opponents as well.
Yes.
Fantastic. Well, I don't know how smart it is to apply a full Nelson on the muscle animals, but so far they're doing a good job of isolating Pretty Ricky Sky in the Sounds of Pain corner. Double Irish whip.
I think what Sounds of Pain needs to do, what they are doing, is they need to focus really on the tag team.
Wow, well,
action.
Tandem offense right there, a fist drop and a splash in the opening moments of this contest.
Yeah, I think they really have to utilize tagging in and out so they can be in there 2-on-1 as much as possible.
Right.
In order to cut down these big men.
Well, I also think the longer this match goes, the more it favors Sounds of Pain, who look like they're a little bit leaner and probably have better cardio, just going off of their a huge back body drop.
Wow. That's true. That being said, you know, if they are on the receiving end of some big moves from their opponents, then they could lose that energy very quickly.
Very quickly. It might only take 1 or 2 power moves from the muscle animals to put them down. And there's a flapjack.
Huge flapjack. He definitely, they got him up in the air.
Yeah, throwing him around every which way. Here's another look at it, and ooh!
That's a big drop and a lot of gravity.
Yeah, it is.
For such a big man, too. Oh, beautiful light. Well, you said it, Chris Jericho.
Well, that's his tag team partner, but I mean, both of them resemble a young Chris Jericho, and perhaps shades of Jericho with not quite a lion salt, but still a springboard. It looked like a springboard cartwheel splash.
Sultanov attacking him in the corner there illegally.
And right in front of the referee, too. Just like complete disregard for the rules.
The referee giving them a warning, not ready to stop the match, though.
Right. Well, a warning is all well and good, but the damage has been done. There's a kiss to the audience from Pretty Ricky Sky.
Damon Saint caught up in that tree of woe. That's not a good place to be.
No, never.
It's a very vulnerable place to be. And now, well, here he is. He's been able to capitalize on his little trick that they pulled there.
He did. Pretty Ricky Sky with an Irish whip. Misses with a clothesline. Power slam connecting. And there's an example of those power moves. There's another look and a kick out at 2.5.
Yeah, Damon Saint needs to get out of there as quickly as possible. Otherwise, it could easily this could be the beginning of the end.
Yeah, it could be. And he is in the wrong part of town right now. He is in enemy territory in the muscle animals corner. Blackwell trying to get in there, but really not doing his partner any favors, only distracting the referee, whose back, I imagine, is turned right now. Yes, it is.
That's always a difficult decision to make, you know. How much are you going to try and get the attention of the referee to help you out? But at the same time, if you have the referee's attention, he's not watching what's going on behind his back.
Right. And now the muscle animals picking apart Damon Saint.
He's just crumbling in the corner right now. He just needs to
Right.
try and find an opening to somehow slither out.
Well, Damon Saint, still very young in his career, started in 2019. He made his debut from Hanover, Germany.
That's very close to where I used to live.
Where did you used to live?
Called Lüneburg, which is between Hanover and Hamburg.
Okay.
So about a half an hour from Hanover, not far at all.
Not far at all. And once again, Damon Saint in the wrong part of town. Look at the impact of that European uppercut from Sultanov. Ooh! I am glad I am not Damon Saint right now. That sounded brutal.
Me too. Those chops hurt.
Scooping a slam and making Damon Saint think about it too. Here comes Pretty Ricky Sky. Well-placed elbow drop right to the sternum.
Tagging in and out. Well, I guess what I said earlier for sound and pain also applies for the muscle animals.
Right.
The more that they tag in and out, the quicker they can capitalize on their strength and their advantage.
Damon Saint needs to get out of there. And
The
he just tried wandering over to his corner and walked into the brick wall that is Sultanov.
That was just like a face palm. That was just like, not now, young kid.
Sultanov was like, I'm not done with you yet. Where do you think you're going?
Go back. The audience definitely rooting for Damon Saint to get out of this predicament.
Yeah, well, he's not doing a very good job. And the longer he's in that corner, the more he's just going to get pulverized by muscle animals.
Yeah. Blackwell helping to get the audience involved in this match.
Sickening impact with that slam. And again, now just standing on the throat or maybe the jaw of Damon Saint right in front of the referee again, using every bit of that 4 count, which, correct me if I'm wrong, Katerina, is not a tactic you are opposed to using from time to time.
I'm not opposed to using the odd little rule bend,
Right.
shall we say.
Oh, no.
It's certainly well in
no.
the past. Uh-oh.
Oh, my God. Even licking his palm that time and now staring into the face of Blackwell. And Blackwell, I think, doing a good job of restraining himself. Not drawing the referee's attention, but Sultanov getting caught with the back elbow, then a pair of boots as he was charging into the corner. Reaching for that tag!
Oh! So close!
Damon Saint can't quite reach, and the powerful Sultanov just walking him back into his corner.
I feel like they were both reaching so desperately. They were close enough, but just missed each other's
They were missing each other. They were swinging for each other, and neither of them caught it. Down goes Sultanov. Damon Saint needs to make something happen, and in a hurry.
Climbing up on the top rope, that might not be a great tactic right now.
You notice
it's
he
a risky maneuver.
turned his focus to Pretty Ricky Sky, and it was enough.
He might have been better off.
Oh! Good Lord and good night. Take another look at this power bomb. Wham!
Huge power bomb. Sometimes you have to know. Like,
2 count. Left shoulder up.
When is it time to take a risk on the top rope, and when is it the time just to slither out the side and tag in your partner?
Right. Well, you notice Damon Saint covered the back of his head. He knew that power bomb was coming. He knew there was nothing he could do about it. He tried his best to quell what he could of that impact. But again, he's been getting beaten down in the corner of his opponents for several minutes here. And now what the hell are Muscle Animals doing?
Some kind of tag team. Oh, a piggyback?
Oh my God! A sandwich splash! Pretty Ricky the Legal Man hooks the far leg and a kick out at 2.5. And Damon Saint, how much more can Damon Saint take?
I don't know how he got out of that pin. I think both men wanted to pin him, but the referee said no, only one man is allowed to take that pin.
Right.
So that was the thing that saved him, I'm sure.
Pretty Ricky Sky, the legal competitor, and again, Damon Saint just getting tenderized in the corner.
He's crumbling like a cookie,
as
I like to say.
Yes. And there's another look at that sandwich splash.
I don't know how he kicked out of that one, honestly.
Me neither.
Sometimes it's better to just close your eyes and cut your losses.
Yeah.
But it's a lot of heart in these two young men.
Well, a lot of heart. I don't know how much brains, though. Damon Saint has to make a tag here.
Indeed. Oh!
Lands on his feet.
Backflip.
Oh! And a pair of knees right to the chest. Let's take another look at it. Flips backward, lands on his feet. And it was enough to put both of them down. And you can see Blackwell on the outside just fiending for a tag.
So that's enough.
And there it is!
Whoa, big tag. Blackwell coming in.
Eats a clothesline from Blackwell.
He's trying the same with Sultanov, but he doesn't go down so easy. On the second attempt, it works.
Discus clothesline takes down the big man. Takes down Sultanov. Atomic drop to Pretty Ricky Sky. And can he get the big man up? He did. An atomic drop to Sultanov. Inverted atomic drop that time. Or was that like... Go ahead, please.
Blackwell having to move fast to make sure he takes care of both men in the ring at the same time. Not an easy feat. Big reverse DDT.
And celebrating here when, in my humble opinion, he should be going for a cover.
I think he's tagging his partner back in.
Yeah, but why? Damon Saint was taking a beating for several minutes. Now he's on the top rope. If he misses this, it's all or nothing right now. He got it, though. A rotating senton bomb into the cover. There's a look at the impact, and I did not hear a 3 count. Sultanov interrupting the count.
He was still too close to him in the ring, but
referee better get the hell out of the way. There's bodies flying everywhere right now. Sultanov just discarding Blackwell to the ringside area, and then Damon Saint, wait a minute, a roll-up with the tights. There's 2, and there's 3.
Oh my God.
Muscle Animals steal it.
Wow, that was an unexpected finish.
Muscle Animals with a handful of tights. Pretty Ricky Sky able to score the pinfall. Damon Saint can't believe it. Blackwell now pleading with the referee that he had the tights, but it's too late. Muscle Animals are victorious.
The audience also firmly on the side of Sound of Pain. Not happy with this result at all.
Sieger durch Pinfall, Muskel Tiere!
It's the second time tonight we've seen, second time tonight we've seen a team win by hook or by crook. And we also saw somebody get slammed in the face with a crystal ball earlier. There's that double flapjack. Great rotation on that power slam. And just look at the impact of this power bomb. Good Lord.
And this slam, I can't get over this slam. This was
sandwich splash.
How he was able to recover from that, I don't know. But he had those big knees.
Oh, great agility by Damon Saint. So late in the contest, there was that discus clothesline.